AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, for the most part, is as of now at $0.005, which basically is very huge. AMP for the most part faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 amazingly. AMP records especially descending development today, genuinely is opposed to mainstream thinking. 14 September 2023. In this article we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these as often as possible. Generally clarified some things, facts. What especially is genuinely transient cost expectation for AMP? Generally is AMP a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner? AMP support and opposition levels and so forth in a genuinely enormous manner. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the AMP specialized examination, fundamentally let us generally discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,907,408,331 in an extremely enormous manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $27,882,883,474, which really is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, in an especially enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in an essentially huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.98. And right now exchanging at 49 cents, further appearance how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.98, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they truly thought. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market generally is going in a by and large descending bearing for extremely present moment, which especially is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331, which really is genuinely huge. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which all things considered, shows that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Further appearance how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in an extremely significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become essentially more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants by and large become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters. Distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly shows that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP all things considered, is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. Truly further appearance how XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner. Following are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in a real sense is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which basically shows that the especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $27,882,883,474, which generally is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while in every way that really matters, all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. There in a real sense are practically 42,227,702,186 in a real sense are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, so as of now, a truly broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,053,907,408,331. Or so they sort of thought. AMP value examination AMP cost examination for 14 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of underneath, which by and large shows that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98, and at present exchanging at 49 cents. Pretty further appearance how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in a truly significant manner. We utilize essentially relative strength INDEXRSI, moving extremely normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to all things considered, dissect the future development of the AMP, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. While AMP's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange most certainly signal truly is especially conceivable at this reach, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, which truly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.6